Hello guys, welcome back to this channel about job. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. And today we will discuss a job openings from Dubai. It's urgent vacancies. So let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So first of all, before start the video, I would like to great thanks to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers and all of my supporters. So as I already committed to you, I will inform you the latest job openings across any country of the world. So I am keep continuing these activities. So today I will share with you a job openings from Dubai. It's urgent job vacancies. So if you have a dream to move Gulf country with a job, then please keep watching this video till the end and know what is the job openings, how to apply everything details. So let's start without any let. The job is PRO record in Sharjah. We are hiring for a PRO for one of our clients, a leading advisory company. Job location will be Sharjah. And you can see here, this is the key responsibilities. And for this job, you should have the previous relevant experience in the relevant field. Yeah, then only you can apply for this job. And if you want to apply for this job, you have to forward your all documents like CV and certificates to the given official email ID. Next, assistant procurement manager required in Abu Dhabi. Hiring for an assistant procurement manager with a leading facility management company based in Abu Dhabi. So guys, everything details I already shared with you how to apply everything details. So don't wait and don't be confused. And this is the assistant procurement manager job openings. If you are the candidate having relevant experience, don't wait for that. You should have minimum 5 years of experience. Apply as soon as possible. And the applying process is very simple. You have to forward your all documents to the given official email ID. Let me highlight this official email ID. You can get this email ID in the official descriptions below this video. So next, project coordinator. To work as a project coordinator, you should have proper capability with relevant experience. Our client, a well-established facility management company, is looking for a project coordinator in Abu Dhabi. Location will be Abu Dhabi, and you should have minimum of 2 years relevant experience in administration and also project coordinator. Then only you can apply. This is also some responsibilities mentioned right here. You have to read it carefully before you apply. And if you think that you are really eligible for this job, then you can apply. You have to forward all documents to the given official email ID. Next, as you can see here, this is a proper skill jobs. And if you think that you are really eligible for this job, don't wait for that and try to apply as soon as possible. Move to next job, multiple vacancies in Abu Dhabi. So let's know what is the job openings. First job is mechanical engineer, QC engineer, pipe fabricator, pipe bonder, and pipe fitter. For these 5 positions, if you have the relevant experience and if you have the proper qualifications to apply for this job, you can apply as soon as possible by sending your documents to the given official email ID. Also, you can follow by this number after you apply. Move to next job, light and heavy bus driver requirement. So if you are having a light and bus driver experience, then you can apply as soon as possible in the same email ID. So you have to send your all documents like your experience in which country or in which position in which driving you already have experience. You can mention it in your CV and send to the given official email ID. Next, a reputed company in UAE. So this is a driving jobs, but this company is very reputed. So if you are interested to apply as a driver, your age should be 21 to 45, and you should able to read, write, and speak English. Should be able to translate English to Hindi or Urdu. So send your all documents to the given official email ID. After you apply, of course, you can follow by this number. So next, multiple jobs in UAE, maintenance jobs. So this is a maintenance company and the job position is MEP team leader, multiple technician, multi-technician civil, HVAC technician, AC technician, electrical technician, plumbing technician, BMS operator, tile mason, furniture carpenter, wall painter. So if you want to apply any of these positions, you can forward your CV to the given official email ID. Next, Requirement for marine and construction project Dubai. So requirement for marine and construction project, if you have previous experience in the relevant field, of course it will be a plus point for you to attend the interview. And if you want to apply for workshop manager or workshop supervisor or marine crane technician or a heavy duty mechanic or hydraulic mechanic or diesel engine mechanic or a heavy duty electrician or assistant mechanic, any of these positions you can apply if you have relevant experience and also proper qualifications and proper diploma certificates. Then you have to send your CV to the given official email. Both in the both official email you can send your all documents. So guys, for all these positions, after you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be started. Once your CV will be shortlisted as per your qualifications and experience, you can get ratings. And after you getting high ratings, your CV will be shortlisted. Then you will get notified by your email in which date and time you have to attend the client interview. After you attending the client interview, try to crack the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, rest process will be started by the company. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I'll try to give the answer. So my sincere request, please apply as soon as possible. There are no time limit. Any time the position will be closed. So please try to apply as quick as possible. And first of all, before you apply, read these informations from the descriptions below this video. Check it one by one. If you are really eligible as per experience and qualifications, apply as soon as possible and wait for the client interview. So I hope you understand all the things, and lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will inform you about urgent job vacancies, new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Bye bye.